Alright guys, in this video we're gonna talk about in and in out. In and not out. What does it mean? Look, sometimes you add more than one condition with or, okay? Let's see it in this example. You're gonna learn in and in out. My SQL minus h localhost use my database example, and let's see what we have inside of our table. Select all from my customer table. We have apple and banana. Now I want to add condition like this, okay? I want to say select all the things from my customer table where country equal to USA or country equal to, for example, something else, Japan, okay? Like this. Let's see. It shows USA because one of them match. I wrote more than one condition. Now let's work with n. I want to write this, and instead of this I want to write n. Inside the parentheses I can write USA and Japan, okay? Japan. Now let's see. It shows apple. What is the difference? What is the both of them with the same result? What is the difference? Look, in and in out work the same with or operator, but what is the difference? With or operator you write more code, long code. With in operator you write less code. Just and easy. What is in out? Let's write instead of in and in here we can write not in. What does it mean? It says that show me the record that country doesn't match with USA and Japan. Now let's see. It gave me Germany.